How to use Flexpen. First of all, washing your hands well. Check the name and color label of your pen to make sure that it contains the correct type of insulin, then pull off the pen cap. Wipe the rubber cork at the end of the tube by the cotton swab with rubbing alcohol. Next step, attach a new needle. Remove the protective cap from a new needle. Screw the needle straight onto your pen. Pull off both needle caps. Keep the big outer needle cap. Step 3. Check the insulin flow. Turn the door selector to select 2 units. Hold the pen vertically with a needle on top. Hit the cartridge gently 2 or 3 times for the bubble floating up. Press the push button all the way in. The door selector returns to 0. Keep testing until insulin squirts from the needle tips to make sure that any gap and air bubbles are removed. Put the small inner needle cap back on the pen if it's not time for injection. If the medicine are suspensions, you have to mix them by rolling the pen horizontally on your both hands or swing up and down vertically. Next step, select your dots. Check the dot selector is set at 0. Turn the dot selector up or down to adjust the dots. Pull off the small inner needle cap. Press the Flexpen on your palm and hold it well. The main injection sites are the stomach, sides, or back of upper arms. You should not injection in the same side every day. You should move 2 inches away from the last side. Rub the skin by cotton swab with rubbing alcohol. Lift and float the skin between your thumb and index finger. Insert the needle into your skin. Press the push button all the way in until zero line up with pointer. The needle must retain under the skin for at least 6 seconds before you remove the needle from your skin. Put the small inner needle cap and the pen cap back on. You will remove the needle until it hurts your skin, or about 3 or 4 days later. Lead the needle into the big outer needle cap. Unscrew the needle and dispose it carefully. Discard the used needle in the sharp container, such as disposal box or the closed bottle with the cap screw on. Put the pen cap back on after using. Author recommendations. The total doses of medications are about 300 units. You can see the remaining medicine at the scale beside of the pen. During the injections, if the dose selector does not return to zero, that means the medication is empty. Change the new pen and add the injection by turn the dose selector until to the remaining dose. Keep the new pen in refrigerator. Do not freeze. You can use a pen in about a month in the room temperature. Discard after. If you get any side effects, such as low blood sugar, you should take a rest and drink a glass of juice or hard candy. Or if you have another abnormal signs or symptom, you should go and see the doctor.